Good morning, student. In the last classes, we have seen chapter ellipse, under which we have seen the concept of ellipse, the standard equation of ellipse, the formula related with ellipse. We have seen what is the directrix, focus, vertex, center, major axis, minor axis. Now, student, today we will see some questions of this chapter. Okay. So, our first question is. Find the equation of ellipse whose axis along the coordinate axis vertices are plus minus 5, 0. Vertices are student 5, 0. Okay. And focus is given to us. Focus is given to us plus minus 4, 0. Okay, plus minus 4, 0. Okay, student. So you know that the vertex and focus, if plus minus a0 plus minus ae comma 0 is in the case of first case. So when our standard equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square, where a is greater than b. In this case, our vertices is plus minus a comma 0 and foci is plus minus a comma 0. So we compare with the vertices. So we write our a is equal to 5, and from here we have seen that a is equal to plus minus 4. Okay, student. Now, student, our a is 5, so we write a is equal to 4. So a is 5. So a is equal to 4. So a is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, student. Now we have to find out, and students, we are seeing from here that this is the first case where a is greater than b. So, student, our a is greater than b, then the equation of ellipse will be x square by a square plus y square by b square is 1. We know that a is given, but we don't have b. So first we find out our b. So b square is equal to a square 1 minus e square. So from here we can easily calculate our a is 5, so it will be 25, 1 minus 16 by 25. So it will be 25 and 9 by 25. So from here we are seeing that our b square is 9. So now we put x square by a square, which is 25, and y square by 9, which is equal to 1. I hope you understand, students. First of all, what we will do, we will compare this with the vertex, okay, which is a plus minus a comma 0, and then the focus, which is plus minus a comma 0. So a will be equal to plus minus 4. So student, our a is equal to 4 by 5. So b square is equal to a square 1 minus e square. So b square is 9 and a square is given. So student, we will get our standard equation. Plus minus a 0 and plus minus a comma 0. So this will be positive just, okay. When we compare this, we get a is 5 and a is 4. Then we find out. Okay, student, I hope you understand. Now we take another question. Let's see. Next question. Our next question is, student, find the equation of ellipse
whose center is at the origin and foci are 1 0 and minus 1 0 and eccentricity is 1 by 2. Okay students, so we have to given that find the equation of ellipse, okay, whose focus is 1 comma 0 and minus 1 comma 0, okay, and eccentricity is 1 by 2. Okay students, so you know that student that for getting the equation of ellipse we must have need of A and B, okay, so and here we are seeing that we don't have A or B, so first we will write the distance between the foci is what 2A E, and distance between the two focus is 2, so 2A student, and this 2 and 2 will cancel, so A is equal to 1 and A and E is 1 by 2, so A is 2. Okay student, so from here we are getting our A is this. Now student, from here our focus is plus minus 1 0, so this is first case. So student, we will find out our B from here. So B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square, so A is 4 1 by and E is 1 by 2, so it will be 1 by 4, so 4 into 3 by 4, so B square is equal to student 3, okay. Now our B square is student 3, so is equation of ellipse. Now student, equation of ellipse x square by A square, which is 4, plus y square is by B square, which is 3, is equal to 1. Okay student, so this will be the standard equation of the ellipse. In this question student, we have to just given the foci of the ellipse 1 0 and minus 1 comma 0, okay. So eccentricity is 1 by 2 and distance between two focus is what will be 2A E, so we write this is 1 and 1, so it will be 2, so 2 is equal to 2A, so it will be cancelled, and when we will put E here we get A is 2 and A is 2, so you know B square is equal to A square 1 minus B square, so we are getting from here B square is 3 and we get equation of ellipse, that is x square by 4 y square by 3 is equal to 1. Okay friends, I hope you understand. Now we take another question. Our next question is student, find the equation of ellipse whose foci are 2 3 minus 2 3 and minus 2 3 and whose semi-minor axis is root 5. Semi-minor axis is root 5. Then we have to find the equation of ellipse. Okay students? Now student, this semi-minor axis is our B, which is root 5. Okay, so and focus and distance between focus, that is S dash is equal to 4. So 2AE is equal to 4. So AE is equal to 2. Okay friends, and you know B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square. So we write A square minus A square E square. So B is 5 and this is A square, which is minus 4. So A square is equal to 9. A is equal to 3. Okay students. Now student, let point P x y is on the ellipse, then you know that PS plus PS dash is equal to 2A. So the distance between this point and focus will be equal to PS. So it will be under root x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square plus under root x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to, and A is 3, so this is equal to 6. Okay students, now this part we send to the right hand side student. Write x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 6 minus under root x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Now we square both sides, we get x minus 2 whole square y minus 3 whole square, that is 36 plus x plus 2 whole square y minus 3 whole square plus minus 12 under root x plus 2 whole square y minus 3 whole square. Okay student, now this equation when we further solve it student, we get the result 5x square plus 9y square, 5x square plus 9y square minus 54. Okay student, 54y plus 36 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of ellipse which we have to find out. Okay, so students, we have to given the foci which is 2, 3 and minus 2, 3, and its semi-minor axis is root 5 and B is equal to root 5. Okay, so distance between the focus, you know, SS dash, this can be written as, so this is 4 because minus 2 and 2, that is 4. So this can be written as 2A is 4, so A is 2. As then we know B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square. So B square is 5. So A square minus A square E square. So A square E square is 4. So this is equal to A is 3. We are getting. Now let P x y is on the a point which is on the ellipse. So we know that this PS plus PS dash is equal to 2A and A is 3. So we will get in right hand side 6. And here student, this is point and this is the distance between 2 points. So under root x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, and this is also can be written as, we send this side student and squaring both sides, we get this and this, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So student, now when we further solve it and cancel it, we get the result equation of ellipse. Okay, I hope you understand students. Now we take another question. Our next question is student, find the equation of ellipse whose axes are parallel to the quadrant axis having its center at the point 2, minus 3. Center is 2, minus 3 and focus is student 3 minus 3 and vertex is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Okay, students. So these are the information which we have to given. Suppose that this is an ellipse. Then student, its center is given to 2 minus 3 and focus is 3 minus 3 and its vertex, which is this 4 minus 3. Okay. Now student, this is our C and this is S, this is A. We have to find the equation of ellipse. Okay. So student, look at, when the center of ellipse is given, then equation of ellipse is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus a square by b square is equal to 1. So center is 2 minus 3, so it will be a square and y plus 3 whole square by b square is equal to 1. Okay students. So this is the equation of ellipse. Okay. Now students, we are seeing that our distance between center and vertex is this is A. Okay. So students, we are seeing that CA is equal to A. This part, this is positive, so this is our vertex. This is mirror axis. So we write CA is equal to A, and this is under root 4 minus 2 whole square minus 3 plus 3 whole square is equal to A. So this is student 4 plus 0 is equal to A, and this is whole square. So we are getting A is equal to 2. Okay. Now we are seeing that our CS is equal to student under root 3 minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 plus 3 whole square. Okay. When we further solve it, student, we get our CAC is 1 plus 0, which is 1, and CAC is A comma E. So our E is equal to 1 by 2 because our A is 2. So A is 1 by 2. So we have got A and we have got E. Now we will find, B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square. So student, A square is 4 and 1 by 4. So 4 minus 1, which is 3 by 4. So B square. So B square is equal to 3, student. So equation of ellipse. Okay student. So we have to find the equation of ellipse whose center is given 2, 3, focus is 3 minus 3, and vertex is 4, minus 3. Okay students. So we have made a figure whose center is 2 minus 3 and S is 3 minus 3 and vertex is 4, minus 3. Now students, you know that if the center of the ellipse is given, then its equation change. And it will be what? If the center is HK, then the equation of ellipse will be x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. Okay students, so we will write the equation of ellipse in when the center is mentioned. Okay, so x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. So x minus h is 2 by a square plus y minus k, which is 3 whole square by b square is equal to 1. Now student, our target is to find out a and b, and we will put a and b then we get the equation of ellipse which passing through the center 2 minus 3. Okay. So student, we are seeing that from the given figure, our CA, the distance CA is equal to a small a. Okay students. So from here student, we are saying that this is under root 4 minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 plus 3 whole square is equal to a. Okay student. So root 4 plus 0 and this is a, so a is equal to 2 from here. Okay students. Or a is what? A is 2. Now students, we are seeing that this CS is the distance between 2 points. Okay. So CS is our A. So A is under root 3 minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 plus 3 whole square under root 1 plus 0. Okay. So A is equal to 1. So when we are putting A is 2, we get E is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now students, B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square. Okay. So A square is 4 and 1 minus E square is 1 by 4. So we are getting from here B square is 3. Now we have got A square and got B square. Now we will put the value of this A square and B square in this equation and we get the standard equation of ellipse whose center is given. Okay friends, I hope you understand. Now we take another question. Let's see. Our next question is student. A man running a race course notes that the sum of the distance from the two flag posts from him is always 10 meter. Okay, it is given that the sum of the distance from the two flag posts from him is always 10 meter. Okay student. And student, it says that the distance between the flag post is 8 meters. Find the equation of path traced by the man. So student, we are saying that the distance, the sum of the distance from the two flag posts from him is always 10 meter. So from these information we are seeing that clearly this is the path traced by the man is an ellipse having foci at two flag posts. Okay students, so we are writing clearly the running path is an ellipse in which the two flag posts is the foci. Okay, so this is we have to do, and you know equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, where b square is equal to a square 1 minus e square. And student says that the distance of that particular from this to this is s and s dash and s, and this is p. So this is given to us student that 2a length of ps plus ps dash is 2a. So 2a is we have to given student, which is, so we write the distance the sum of, so we write the sum of distance of two flag posts from him is we have to given 10 meter is 10 meter. So student, that is 2a is 10, so a is equal to 5 meter. Okay students, and it is also given the distance. Okay student, so the distance between the flag post is 2AE, which is equal to 8. So student, it will be 4, and E is also given, so E is equal to 4 by 5. Okay student, so from here we can find out our E is equal to 4 by 5. Now from the given information student, we will find out our B square is equal to A square minus E square. So B square is A equal to A square, so this is 25, 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square. Okay students, now this is B square. So B square is equal to 25 student, and this is 1 minus 25 minus 16 by 25. Okay, so from here student, we are getting that B square is equal to just 25 will be cancelled from here to here, and we get our B square is 25 minus 16, that is 9. So B is equal to 3 student. So from here student, we have got that our B is 3 and A is 5 and E is 4 by 5. Now equation of ellipse is x square by a square. So this is 5 square, y square by b square. So this is 3 square is equal to 1. So x square by 25, y square by 9 is equal to 1. Okay student, so this will be the required equation of ellipse which we have to find out. Okay student, so in this question student, we have said that a person which is running in a park and notes that the sum of the distance from the two flag posts is always 10 meter. Okay, suppose that the person is here at any park and there are two flag posts. Its distance PS and PS dash is given, that is 10 meter. Okay, and the distance between these two flag posts is also given to us 8 meter. Then we have to find what is the path and find out the equation of that path. Okay students, so clearly from here you know that this is an ellipse. Okay, so from here we have written the clearly the running path is an ellipse in which the two flag posts are the focus of that ellipse. Okay, and distance between distance and the sum of the distance of the two flag posts from him is PS plus PS dash, which is equal to always 2A, which is we have to give student 10, and from here we find out our A is 5. Okay, now the distance between the flag post is which is our SS dash, that is our distance between the flag post, that is distance between the focus, that is foci. So this is 2A is equal to 8, so A is 4, so A is 5, so E is 4 by 5. Now students, our B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square. So B square is equal to A square, which is 25 1 minus, and from here we have written the value of E, which is 4 by 5 whole square. So taking LCM and after cancellation we are getting our B square is 9 and B is 3. So we have calculated our A is 5 and B is 3. So equation of ellipse will be students x square by 5 square, so y square by 3 square, that is equal to 1. So x square by 25 and y square by 9 is equal to 1. This is the required equation of ellipse which we have to find out from the given information. Okay students, I hope you understand students. Now in the next class student we will see some other questions. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you understand all these questions. Okay, thank you.